Welcome to Igbo Learning Hub. Our language is our identity.
New set of Igbo words and their opposites. I will say the Igbo words and the meaning in English for better understanding. Let's go. Ezioku, truth. Ase, lie. Nwoke, man. Nwanyi, woman. Nkem, mine. Nke gị, yours. Jide, hold. Hapụ, release or let go. Ga, go. Bịa, come. Bilie, stand. Nọdụ, sit. Kwụsị, stop. Malite, start. Mee, do. Kwụsị, stop. Yes. Mba, no. Good. Let's take it one more time, slowly. Ezioku, ezioku, truth. Ase, ase, lie. Nwoke, nwoke, man. Nwanyi, nwanyi, woman. Nkem, nkem, mine. Nke gị, yours. Jide, jide, hold. Hapụ, hapụ, release or let go. Ga, go. Bịa, bịa, come. Bilie, bilie, stand. Nọdụ, nọdụ, sit. Kwụsị, kwụsị, stop. Malite, malite, start. Mee, do. Kwụsị, kwụsị, stop. Yes. Mba, no. Kupuru no n'aka. I'll see you guys in the next video. Please, parents, always bring your children to learn Igbo language with me. Thank you and bye.
Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. See you in our next video. Bye.